Let's move on to the second type of expansion, which generates a contiguous range or sequence of numbers or letters. For example, I want to generate a list with numbers from 1 to 100. Echo, curly braces, 1, double dots, 100. Or a list with the letters from A to L. A, double dots, and L. Or from A to Z. So the form of a sequence expression takes the form of either two integers or two characters between curly braces. Optionally, you can provide the expansion with an increment. 1 double dots 20 double dots 2. Now, it expands using an increment or a step of 2. By default, the increment is 1. The supplied integers may be prefixed with 1 or more zeros to force each term to have the same width. When either integer begins with a 0, the shell attempts to force all generated terms to contain the same number of digits, 0 padding where necessary. Also note that you can reverse the sequence and the shell will expand it accordingly. For example, 10 double dots 1 or Z, A. Note that both values between curly braces must be of the same type. You cannot use something like this. At the end of this lecture, I will make a final remark about this. As I've already said, brace expansion happens first before variable expansion, and that means that you cannot use a variable expansion inside the brace expansion. The next example simply won't work. A equals 1, I'm declaring a variable, and now I'm trying a brace expansion using the variable. $A, double dots, 50. It will not work. Brace expansion is performed first. Great, we are done with brace expansions. Take your time and practice these until you feel confident using brace expansions. They are really useful. We'll take a short break, and in the next video, we'll go hands-on with a project. See you soon.